In this chapter, we will review the internal web server featured in the ATSC analyzer. The web server lets us control the meter remotely and access to all of its features via IP. First, we need to set up the meter's IP address in the Preferences menu and connect the meter to the network. In order to do so, we will go to Settings and then to Network. Here we can activate DHCP communication and set up the instrument's IP address, subnet mask, and gateway IP address. Once this is set up, we can try to open the web server from a standard PC web browser located in a remote location. The web server will ask for a user and password for safety reasons. Once we are in, we can see in the top right corner a button to initiate the emulator. It provides a complete control over our field strength meter. By clicking the mouse over the meter's screen, we can access to any of its features. In this example, we will open the transport stream analyzer. But you can access to any of the tools featured in the ATSC. Some screens, such as the spectrum analyzer, allow you to change the span with the mouse wheel. The Preferences menu is dragged down by pointing the mouse pointer in the top area of the screen, pressing the mouse left button and dragging it down. Same procedure must be followed to show the tuning menu, but dragging the mouse pointer from the left side of the screen to the right. In some pop-up windows, you will be allowed to use your keyboard to input numbers or characters. Otherwise, a widget will be always shown as an alternative so that you can input text or numbers using your mouse.